What's going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, we're basically going to be taking a look at the Tempo app. This application, you could simply get this from the App Store or Play Store if you're using any of those. You could simply search Tempo. And as you can see, it's this application here, Tempo Music Video Maker. Now this is an uptrending application which is useful whenever you're doing any TikTok edits. So I'll be basically giving an overview of this application. I have it installed right here. Now this application is a paid application, so you'd get 3 days free trial whenever you install this application, and you'd be able to test out a few of these cool features. So let me see if my volume is down, because some of these music are copyright. So as you can see here, right off the gate, we have a lot of options or tabs at the top, which we could select various categories. Now on default, it is on the For You tab. Now this gives me a TikTok vibes, to be honest. So you could select any one of these and it will ask you to import images or video clips, and it will basically build one of these videos. You could simply save to your device and share on any social media platform. So that is pretty cool. And if we should go into settings, as you can see, 1080p export is for the Pro version, and I'm currently on the Pro version of this application. So let's tap into any one of these, and as you can see, we have TikTok. So let me just simply tap into this one, and this one recommends you to use 10 to 29 pictures. Well, I won't be using such a large one. I want one with like 8 pictures. So let's simply, once you use this, as you can see, free trial recommend to use 8 pictures. So let's tap on it and give it some time to load. Now once this load, it will ask you to select 8 pictures from your gallery, and let's do just that. You could select photos or videos to use within this application. For this demonstration, I'm simply going to select some images from my wallpaper collection. Okay, so I have 8 images selected, and as you can see, the other images are grayed out because I cannot select any more image for this. You could also select video clips if you want. So let's click on the check icon, and it will automatically build this video clip for you. Now as you can see here, it basically did all the work for you. This is quite simple and easy to use. You could also change the material and change the music. So if you tap on material, as you can see here, we could long press or tap on it, and you'd see the edit icon. So if you should press the edit icon, you could resize, rotate, and crop whichever image or material you'd want to use. So let's reset this and let's go back. And as I've said, you could change the music. So in the music option, we could change the volume, we could change the music, and you could select any one of these music from your library. Now if you should go to my music, as you can see, we could select music from our device to add to this. However, that comes at a downside because these templates were created with the intentions of being used with the music by default. So let's click on the check icon and let's simply save this to phone, full 1080p, and as you can see, it is saving quite fast. So feel free to give this application a try, guys. You could find this on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. This is quite unique and an easy application to use if you make TikTok videos. Now a lot of the TikTok trends, they simply use this application to create their videos. It is quite simple, as you can see, a few seconds and we're done. So let's X out of that, and as you can see, we could share this straight to TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, or more. So let's go back, and as you can see, we simply have the option to use any of these templates. So feel free, as I've said, feel free to give this a try. Let me know if you enjoy using this application. Editing applications are quite easy to use these days, not like when I was a teen growing up and applications were so hard to use. So I'll leave the links in the description. You could download these applications on your devices. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like if you found this video useful, and if you have any queries or questions, please leave them in the comments below.